Assalamu alaikum. There are two sentences on the board. The first one is, he will finish the work. He will finish the work in 10 days. In 10 days. The second one is, he will finish the work within 10 days. Which one is correct? Which one is the correct sentence? Okay. Both sentences are correct here. Both sentences are correct here. But what's the difference between in 10 days and within 10 days? In 10 days. In 10 days. It means exactly 10 days from the current date. Current date. Exactly 10 days from the current date. Example, today is 23rd November. Today is 23rd November. So here in 10 days means 3rd December. 3rd December 2025. He will finish the work in 10 days. That means he will finish the work 3rd December 2025. 10 days from the current date. Okay. Now, within 10 days. Within 10 days. What does it mean? It means anytime before the 10-day period is over. Anytime before the 10 days period is over. More easily, anytime between 10 days. Anytime between 10 days. But not after 10 days. Anytime between 10 days, but not after 10 days. For example, today is 23rd November. Exactly from 10 days, the day will be 3rd December. So if I say he will finish the work within 10 days, he will finish the work 10 days, I mean he will finish the work any day between 23rd November to 3rd December. Not after that. Not after that. So within 10 days means any time before the 10-day period is over, or any time between 10 days. Any time between 10 days. Today is 23rd November. 10 days from today is 3rd December. He will finish the work within 10 days. It means any day between 23rd November to 3rd December. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.